In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a recurring expense in Splitwise. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to stop an expense from repeating while keeping your existing records clean and accurate. First, make sure you're logged into your Splitwise account, either on your computer's browser or a mobile browser that shows the full site. From your dashboard, head over to the group where the recurring expense lives. This might be a household group, a travel group, or any other shared space where you've been splitting costs. Click on the group name to open the group page, then look through the list of expenses and select the specific recurring expense you want to change. This will open a detailed view of that expense. Once the expense is open, find the option to edit it. On the web version, you'll typically see an Edit Expense button or link near the expense details. Click on Edit Expense to open the full edit window, where you can change things like the amount, description, and most importantly for this video, the recurrence settings. Inside the edit window, look for the date field of the expense. Click directly on the date. This does more than just change the day. It also reveals the options related to how often the expense repeats. When the date options are visible, you should see a setting called Repeat or something similar that indicates the current recurrence, like monthly or weekly. Click on Repeat. This is where Splitwise controls whether the expense keeps showing up in the future. You will now see several recurrence options. To delete the recurring behavior for this expense, choose the option labeled Just This Once. Selecting Just This Once tells Splitwise to treat this expense as a one-time charge from now on. It will stop generating new future copies, but your past entries will stay in your history, so you don't lose any previous records or balances. After selecting Just This Once, you're not done until you save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the edit window and click on Save. Splitwise will update the expense, remove its recurring schedule, and return you to the group view. That's all you need to do to delete a recurring expense in Splitwise. You've turned it into a single, one-time expense while keeping your past data intact.